In Semiosis, Peirce created the technical terms himself, which is problematic in its own right to illustrators and designers, as when you start creating words that no one else understands, it makes applying the theory more difficult. Peirce defined his terms so that they could only mean what he meant the terms to mean. That is problematic where designers and illustrators are concerned, because if you have never seen Peirce's terms before, they will not mean anything to illustrators or designers. So let us replace Peirce's terms with more designer-centric terms. How the concept is represented through the way we as graphic designers or illustrators can semiotically craft the visual language to shape the audience's interpretation of the concept to be communicated. In that crafted semiotic representation, you can enhance your